We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi frequently disconnects in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is an annoying problem because perhaps you're trying to go and watch something, do some work, and it keeps disconnecting. So you've got some different fixes you can try, make sure it's this full guide, and hopefully with the help of this video, the problem will be solved. But you don't want to skip anything as you may go and miss the method that may solve it. So for the first fix, come to the bottom of your computer and you want to go and press search. You want to go and type in device manager and go and open it up. In here, what you need to do is come down the list and press the arrow to the left of network adapters. And you need to go and find your network adapter. Mine is this one here. Right click on it and you want to go and find the option for update driver. Click there and you can do an automatic search just to make sure it's fully up to date. Mine is. If there's one available, it will go and be done. The next thing you can try doing is pressing search at the bottom and you want to go and type in view network connections or just network connections. In here, go and find your adapter. And then what you can do is go and right click on it and you want to go and press properties. In here, go and press configure. And then you'll go and have power management, which you can click on at the top. What you want to do is unselect, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, press OK. The next thing you can try doing is you want to go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom and open up your settings. Go over to the left and you need to find the option for network and internet. At the top, you want to click Wi-Fi and then you want to go and click properties and you can go and select private network. Next, come to the bottom and press search and you want to go and type in services. Then in here, you need to come all the way down and go and find WLAN, auto config, double click on it. Make sure the starter type is automatic and it's currently running. Press apply and press OK. Next, what you can do is press search at the bottom and go and type in settings again. Come back to network and internet. Scroll down to advanced network settings. Then you want to go and scroll down and find the option for network reset. Then here you can go and press reset now and this will remove and reinstall your network adapters. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.